last couple of months we have been working on a product which will be targeted for, which is created for small scale and medium scale clinics. Why? So there is a problem. If you look at small and medium scale clinic, they are still facing a problem, that is they work on pen and paper based system. If you visit any small medium scale clinic, you will see that still you have to bring that card where the patient ID is written. Then showing that card, they will take out your case papers. Then they will give some new prescription, write down, they'll write it down on the same thing. And that is a whole pen and paper based system. What is the challenge? Every day you can see everything is moving towards IT, information technology, and everything is going towards cloud based, everything is digitized. But still this clinic, small and medium scale clinics, they are not yet ready for digitization, right? And we did a little survey for that as well. We look into the market, is there any existing software available which will solve this problem? Then answer is yes, the softwares are available. Now the problem is those are very costly. Those range from 5,000 to 80,000. 5,000 is fine. Now the problem is those are localized software. Like those will be installed only in one machine. If you have clinic and you have multiple branches, you won't be able to access the data from one branch to another branch. That is the biggest challenge they face. And if you want solution for that, now the solution is there, but again the cost for that is around 80,000 to 1 lakh. Okay, someone is fine that they will pay 80,000 for one time. That is not the solution. Why? The thing is, if you pay 80,000 or 1 lakh for one time, you have to pay an annual maintenance charge from next year onwards for each year. That is around 20 to 25,000 per year. Now looking at all those problems, we were focusing like how we can solve that issue so that it will be affordable for all the small and medium scale clinics, and those will be digitized so that the doctor will be able to access the clinics and patients data from anywhere, anytime, any device. And like any device, when I say any device, laptop, mobile, tablet, anything. And not only he will be able to access that data, he will be able to access that data, read that data, edit it, and create a new entry into that using any device, because it is a completely cloud based system. And we called our product as clinical patient management application, that is CPMA. I will give you a quick tour for that. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start with the quick tour. Right now you can see my screen. So here you can see this product is currently live for मन Clinic. They are using this product for a couple of months and their complete system is online these days. Okay, so and while creating this product, we have taken one thing, we have considered one thing, that is a natural flow of your business, like how the patient comes, what is the next step naturally they follow, how you, like we have considered that already. What will happen because of that? It will reduce the number of clicks, it will be a user friendly, and within a couple of clicks the whole process will be done. Now I will show you a quick demo. Consider I am a patient going to a मन Clinic. So what will happen, and I am already existing patient for them, so they will search my name. Now this search box is, not only normal search bar, it is a smart search bar. Here you can search for a patient ID, name, mobile number or email ID. Whatever you search, it will find out the correct patient from the database. And not only my name is Akshay Daga, you don't need to search for Akshay Daga only. If you search Daga Akshay, that is also fine. If you search for a partial name, that is Aks DAG, that is also fine. If you search for surname first, name afterwards, that is also partial, that is also fine. I will show you Akshay Daga. You can see all the registration data is available on the one click. Not only that, I will show you if I search for Daga Akshay. Still, you can see the one patient name, it has picked correctly. Now I will delete it. I will show you the partial searching, that is DAGAKS. Partial surname, partial name, that is also not in correct order. Still, it picked up the correct entry. Okay. After that, once the registration data is available, you can see his status, whether the patient is active or not. Active means whether he has registered in last 1 year or maybe after that, whatever is your criteria. So it is active. Then what is the total fees applied to me? Then what is the total amount I paid to them, and what is the due amount? It is shown over there. If you scroll down, you can see last 20 follow-ups in descending order. Like the first line shows the latest follow-up on 7th November, then previous to that, then previous to that. It is a sample description. Whatever I have described about my illness, that will be written over here. Whatever prescription they have given to me, the medicine name, that will be written over here. That satisfaction rating, that is nothing but when I visited last time, whatever medicine they gave to me, whether I am satisfied or not, on the scale of 0 to 100, how much satisfied I am, how much better I am because of that medicine, that is written over here. Then for how many days they have given me medicine for, that is 10 days. What is the fees they applied, how much amount I have paid, which doctor checked me, what is the balance, that is due amount I need to pay, and what is my next visit. Next visit date is nothing but for how many days they have given me the medicine. Based on that, the next visit date is already shown over there. Once all the last follow-ups are checked by the doctor, now what doctor will do? Doctor will ask for my current status, like how I am feeling, what are my current problems. He will write over here. I'll show you. Sample description 4. Alright. Then doctor will give me some medicine. That is sample prescription 4. That is a medicine name. He'll ask me whether I was satisfied with the last medicine which they have given me, and on the scale of 0 to 100, how much better I am because of that medicine. So I said, okay, I was feeling 70% better because of that medicine. Right now they are giving me medicine for next 10 days. They applied the fees of 300 rupees. I paid 300 rupees, and that's it. Once that is done, I'll click on the save button. Okay, new follow-up is done. Now, if you scroll up and look, the new follow-up is added automatically over here. Okay. Now, there comes the next part. What if I'm visiting their clinic for the very first time? So they need to do the registration for me. So again, I'll show you how the registration can be done. I'm doing a normal sample name, sample mobile number, the mobile number. Here you can see if I put some random wrong mobile number, it will give me some error, right? So all these kind of problems are already taken care. So I'll put some mobile number. Again, same for email ID. If I put some wrong email ID, something like this, it will throw an error. So I will give the correct email ID, apdaga.dumpbox@gmail.com. Again, I'll fill all the details. Sample. Right now, I'm not filling all the details over here because it is just a demo. Again, and I'll save it. Once I save it, it will create a new patient ID for that patient, and that will be shown over here. See, the new patient ID 2610 is assigned for the sample name. Not only that, if I want to edit the details for the existing patient, something like whatever is new detail, other detail, maybe new mobile number, new email ID, or anything else, new address, then I'll search for the patient ID. What is the patient ID? You can search at the top search bar. Okay, so this is the patient ID for me. Okay, once that is done, now I want to change some of the stuff, something like clinical complaint. I'll write burning eyes because of lot of work on my laptop. Okay, and I'll click on update. Now you can see registration is updated. Now if I search for, again it is already searched, you can see the clinical complaint is updated now. So that's it, guys. That is a quick demo of the application. Like you have to do only couple of clicks. Everything is handled on the single page. If I talk about what are the total features, I can show you over here. You can see it is online cloud based. Multiple doctors can use it at the same time for different patients. If you have multiple clinics, multiple branches, that is already handled over here. You can, there is a central database for that patient, for all the patients. So you can access all patient data from any of your clinic. Not only that, it's user friendly, the lost follow up and everything I had told you. You can register, you can edit on couple of clicks the registration data. Everything I have already shown you. Not only that, I'm already working on some new features. That is, for salary based people, they know how much they are earning on monthly basis. For small scale or middle scale business or clinics, it is really difficult to track how much we earn in this month, how much was the footfall, how many new patients came to our clinic, how many recurring patients, return patient came to our clinic. That is the analysis part. That will be shown to you in a graphical form, but that is a future scope. I am already working on that, and that will be added in my next build. Okay. So I hope you like the demo. And if you are interested, you can contact me. All the contact details will be given in the description. And that's it, guys. I'll be working on and I'll keep on improving this product more and more so that a small scale businessman or small scale clinic will be able to digitize their business. That's the product. Hope you like it. If you are interested, please contact me. This is Akshay Daga and this is our YouTube channel, AP Daga Dumbbox. Thank you very much. Signing off.